Coda versus Notion. Which document tool with databases is better? If you want to explore both platforms further, links to the products were added in the description. When comparing Coda and Notion as document tools with database capabilities, you're evaluating two powerful systems that go beyond traditional docs. But they're built with clearly different philosophies and strengths. Notion was designed as an all-in-one workspace where documents, notes, wikis, and lightweight databases live together in a flexible canvas you can structure to match your workflows. Coda was built as a document-first platform with spreadsheet and database power, enabling docs that act more like interactive applications with formulas, automation, buttons, and logic embedded directly inside content. If your priority is flexibility and ease of use with contextual documentation, Notion shines. If you want your documents to behave like mini apps or custom tools, Coda usually takes the lead. Notion's greatest strength lies in its simplicity, clarity, and collaborative foundation. Pages are built with blocks, text, headings, toggles, embeds, tables, boards, calendars, and you can link pages to each other, create knowledge bases, build task systems, and create lightweight relational databases. Notion's interface feels clean and approachable, making it ideal for teams that want a single central workspace for meeting notes, project plans, design docs, onboarding wikis, content calendars, and simple databases that connect tasks to projects or clients. Collaboration features like comments, mentions, real-time editing, and shared pages make teamwork feel intuitive, and templates help get you started quickly without building structures from scratch. Notion excels when you want contextual knowledge alongside structured data. Meeting notes linked to project tasks, company handbooks tied to goals, and documentation that evolves with your work. Coda's value comes from its deeper logic, automation, and formula power. Coda docs can contain tables that behave like spreadsheets, but also act like databases with linked records, filters, rollups, and views. What sets Coda apart is the ability to add formulas, buttons, and automation directly into your docs, so you can build things like project trackers with action buttons, dashboards that update based on data changes, automated notifications, and even simple apps embedded inside a doc. Coda also supports packs and integrations with external services, extending your doc with real-time data from tools like Slack, GitHub, or Google Calendar. This makes Coda especially strong for teams that want interactive workspaces where content and functionality live together. Product teams building workflow tools, operations teams automating tasks, or analytics teams creating live dashboards with commentary. In daily use, Notion feels more like a workspace you can shape around your team's information and collaboration needs. While Coda feels like a tool you can use to build custom work apps that automate and scale your processes. Many users describe Notion as easier to adopt out of the box, and Coda as more powerful once you start embedding logic and automation into your docs. So which is better? If your priority is a flexible, collaborative workspace where documents and databases coexist in a clean, intuitive environment, Notion usually delivers the most satisfying experience. If your priority is deeper logic, automation, and the ability to turn documents into interactive work tools, Coda often becomes the stronger choice. The right decision depends on whether you value workspace versatility or embedded functionality first.